Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q8 Black Edition 50 E-Tron Quattro. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, you get a plethora of the gloss black styling, including the side skirts with mirror cap covers, window surrounds and front and rear bumper elements. From the 250 kilowatt battery, you get 335 brake horsepower and 664 newton meters of torque. Fitted to the front are these fabulous LED headlights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch 5-arm aero structure alloy wheels finished in the metallic black, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in lovely with the gloss black styling package. On both sides of the front wings you have the E-Tron flaps covering up the charging ports. On the driver's side you have the fast supercharger port, and on the passenger side you have the home port charger. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you receive ample room for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage, and all three of the rear seats fold down individually, and the boot floor can be lifted up for some storage underneath to offer maximum capacity. On the inside we have a twin leather upholstery with contrasting grey stitching with matte grey elements of the door handles. In the centre we have the armrest as well as the central air vents, so the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning, and both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of this vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel in front of the Audi virtual cockpit. Next to this we have the central touchscreen MMI navigation display as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of preset for if you have multiple drivers of the vehicle. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction controls, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and as this vehicle is fitted with adaptive air suspension it will raise and lower itself as needed. Also fitted to this vehicle are front and rear parking sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. Both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, thanks to the dual zone climate control. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q8 E-Tron Black Edition at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team.